Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. India, Indian Air Force, and Tata Advanced Systems Limited are all basking in glory when the Ministry of Defence signed a contract worth 22,000 crores with Airbus for acquisition of 56 C-295W transport aircraft. The main intention to sign this particular deal is to replace the Indian Air Force aging 56 Avro aircraft that were procured in 1960s. As per the deal, out of the 56 aircraft, 16 will be delivered in flyaway condition from Spain, that too within 48 months, and the remaining will be manufactured in India by the Tata Group within 10 years from the date of contract. Whatever I have mentioned until now is something which we all know. So let me just list down few facts about this particular aircraft which is going to join the Indian Air Force fleet very soon. The C-295 is a new generation tactical airlifter transport aircraft which is approximately of 10-ton capacity. The variant which India is procuring is C-295W, which is the latest variant of C-295 military transport aircraft equipped with winglets and uprated engines to deliver improved performance. Until now, only Hindustan Aeronautics Limited was used to manufacture aircrafts and helicopters for India, but due to this contract, for the first time a private company will be fully manufacturing an aircraft in India. This endeavor demonstrates the Tata Advanced Systems capabilities as a defense manufacturer to build the globally competitive complex platform in India. Not only that, due to this contract, India's aerospace ecosystem will get a major boost by bringing huge investment and 15,000 skilled direct jobs and 10,000 indirect positions over the coming 10 years. Airbus C-295 aircrafts are being operated by many countries like Algeria, Canada, Egypt, Mexico, Spain, and Indonesia. And by ordering the C-295, India will very soon join this particular list as an operator. C-295 aircraft will give a major boost to the tactical airlift capability of Indian Air Force, that too especially in the northern and northeast sector and Andaman Nicobar Islands. The C-295 can be operated in various forms for various roles like military transport version for carrying troops, paratroops, stretchers, pallets or light vehicles. The other roles of C-295 are the maritime patrol or anti-submarine warfare, airborne early warning and control system, a dedicated aerial firefighting aircraft, a dedicated search and rescue aircraft, a tanker aircraft, and a gunship aircraft equipped with heavy aircraft guns. And this is primarily intended for attacking the ground targets either as airstrike or as close air support. So seeing the above roles and features, it gives immense satisfaction that Indian Air Force has made a good choice by choosing the Airbus C-295 transport aircraft for their fleet. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.